I'm Pete Nowaskey with Nowaskey Extreme Performance, and this is 2 Minute Tuesday. Start the timer now. All right, everybody, what I have in front of me here today is a beautiful example of a Hofmann Designs carbon fiber fender. Now, this particular unit is a chopped carbon or forged carbon, I believe it's referred to as, but this is a beautiful piece. It has just a phenomenal finish on it. You guys, I know that Curtis Hofmann is a perfectionist, and I struggle to find a flaw in any of the components that come out of Hofmann Designs. As you can see, it's very nicely done on the inside as well as the outside. So this is a rear fender for a bagger, late model bagger. So all your holes are precision cut. It has the stud included here for your cross bracket. Included with this is the seat bolt kit. So this is something that you'll have to install yourself. Different seats have different length tabs on them. So this allows you to get it exactly where you want it. But Hofmann Designs has you covered for all of your late model touring bikes, 09 to present. Rear fenders, front fenders, saddlebags, saddlebag lids, side covers, and road glide fairings and dashes and all kinds of beautiful carbon fiber components. Lightweight and strong. Hofmann parts are very strong, very rigid, so you're not going to get that wiggle and flop like if you had like a race carbon where it's super thin. So again, the standard, he has this chopped carbon, a standard weave carbon fiber, and I'm pretty sure if you talk to Curtis, you can get different colors as well, tinted clear colors on here. So you can find all of Hofmann Designs components at Nowaskey.com, and like I said, everything that comes out of there is absolutely beautiful. So Nowaskey.com for all your carbon fiber needs.